I'm doing some Saturday cleaning, which is pretty standard, and then I can just relax on Sunday, but I take the time to put all my makeup away, and I wanted to share some of these favorites with you guys since I get questions on the jewelry that I wear a lot in my videos. Don't mind my botched hand. This is the Alina bracelet from Ana Luisa Jewelry. I have been wearing their stuff for about a year, and I absolutely love it because the quality is amazing. You can choose some of the pieces to be real gold. They even have some diamond products now, but this is gold plated. And then I love this set. This is the Palace in deep blue. This ring is gorgeous, and I was wearing this in my fall decor video, and a bunch of you guys were like, oh my gosh, what is that? It's beautiful. They have the matching necklace as well, and they have this in a few different colors, but I love the blue. I'm a big sapphire fan, and this kind of reminds me of that, but it is quartz. And I have a lot of their pieces because the quality is just so great. They're on trend, but also a lot of classic pieces. So if you guys want, you can use the code Haley10 on 10% off your entire purchase from Ana Luisa. You will not be disappointed. They have so many fun things. Actually, I'll show you some of my other stuff from them. This is a necklace that I got last year from them. It's this really pretty disc necklace, and they still sell this, so if you guys are interested, I'll have it linked below. But I love this style chain. I actually wear a chain like this every day, like a real one. And they all come in these really nice velvet packages, or velvet little pouches, and you get a little cleansing cloth, so you guys will not be disappointed. It's such a great brand, and all of the designers that work in New York have worked in the fashion industry for big fashion houses, and so the designs are just really timeless but also trendy and unique, so definitely check it out. Yeah. I mean, you can go that way.
You cut through, right? Snacks and bars and bushes. Pretty good, though.
Yeah, lemon's good. Morning. So yesterday, I just kind of wanted to like give you guys a little sneak peek of what a day is like when Kyle is home, because we got a lot done. We had our workouts, ran errands, grocery shopped, went back to the gym together, then helped him pack up, do laundry, get ready to leave. And it's Tuesday. So much to do today. I just do the Ivy Lee method right now because it's less complicated than using a planner, because I'll try to make it look good or whatever, and it just becomes not functional. So instead of doing a brain dump, I just wrote the 6 most important things personally for work. And then I also have a photo shoot tonight at 5 p.m. So I have a lot to do. It's also tax day, so I have to like go to the bank, go to the post office, and it's probably gonna be packed. Luckily, it's a beautiful fall day. It's beautiful. We're gonna walk to the bank probably. But first, we need to get a workout in. Because I'm tight on time, I think we're gonna do it here, just do a bike workout and kind of make it like a circuit, so it's more like effective for less time. Dropped my stuff off at the post office and decided to come to basically my old gym, but they have a park attached to it. I'm just gonna do a lap, get some steps in. I've been sitting the majority of the day other than my workout, and then going to go to the bank, have some lunch when I get home, and get ready for the photo shoot. It's a long, busy day. Also kind of bummed out because tomorrow is gonna like rain all day, so I have to take my walk to a treadmill. So I'm trying to get in all the vitamin D that I can. Just makes me feel so much better. I talked to Kyle about it this weekend because I've just been feeling really down, and a large part of that is just being at home by myself so much. And so now that my taxes are paid, I'm gonna get a new MacBook, I think, so I can work remotely and go to more like coffee shops or go downstate and visit my family and work. So I just need to like switch up my scenery a bit. I just felt like I wasn't prioritizing my mental health as much. I was just kind of trying to get as much work done as possible and letting my self-care kind of go out the door. So this week I'm trying to be way more intentional about that and like realize when I've been sitting too long or by myself too long or doing things too long. It's so nice out. It's like 65 degrees, so sunny. Love this. I have this lip stuff and it makes my lips white. That is not a cute look. Anyway, just got the camera all situated. I'm using a 50 millimeter lens today for this shoot. I'm a little concerned, like it's pretty, well, I guess it's almost golden hour. This is why I wanted to do it like 5, but 5:30 it is. All right, and then when we get home, I'm so excited for dinner. I'm watching the OC. It is, you guys know, it's like my jam right now. These are the little things I do to keep me happy while Kyle's away, because I'm like alone a lot other than like Josh, but he works so much and he has a lot of night jobs, or he's like, I don't know, he's gone a lot. So I get no night. Just finished the photo shoot. It was awesome. Girl who I shot went to the same high school that I went to. And she is beautiful, so I'm so excited for these pictures, and she's so sweet. We had a great time. I always end up having such a good time doing photo shoots, and it makes me like wonder why I didn't do more or don't do them more often. I don't know, maybe it's like, I don't know, maybe it should be something I should think about. We are home now. It is a little bit after 7. Time to make some cauliflower rice. I also was going to have a full circle food meal, so we might be doing that too. I don't know. Let's see what's in the fridge. I'm gonna eat my cauliflower rice and watch some OC.
Oh, I know that. And I know this is important to write. So embarrassing stories about the family.
Thank you. It is a windy day. Look at that. I feel like we skipped fall and went straight to winter. I'm dressed like Nanook of the North. picked up everything at Acme. I think they thought I was a little crazy because I had like every variety of Chips Ahoy cookies and Halloween candy. They're like, this chick. But I'm gonna go home, make a ghost protein shake because I haven't eaten yet, and while I make the cookie dough, because I don't want to deviate from my macros and stuff today. I've been doing really well this week and I need to keep that up, so gonna do that, shoot the stuff, work out, and then I've got so much more editing to do today. And I need to get these cookie pictures to CJ before lunch, which is at like 12. Well, 1 o'clock here. Happy Saturday. This has probably been the most consistent I've been with a vlog ever, so I hope you guys like this. Last night, had a ton of fun at my parents' house. The bonfire, I will insert clips there. My mom's actually coming over right now. We're gonna do a coffee walk, which we've been talking about doing and haven't done it yet, so gonna do that. I might bike while I wait for her because I still need to work out because I actually have a really busy day for filming and getting work done, and then let's go walk with the moms. Go ahead. Crazy that this is in the backyard. No, there's no path. So pretty outside. So it is Saturday afternoon, just washed my hair. You guys know I only wash my hair like once a week. Got a nice walk in with my mama today and did my cardio, and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I've got cleaning and work to do, and you guys have seen that already, so I'm not gonna bore you with that. I will be filming and stuff today as well, and yeah, I'm glad you guys stuck along for this video. If you watched the whole thing, give it a thumbs up. You guys liked seeing just a little bit inside of my week. It was kind of sporadic, but I've never filmed a vlog like that, and I just kind of thought it would be fun. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video, and follow along on social because we've been doing a ton of Q&As over there, and I have lots of recipes coming out, and I would love to have you guys over there. Make sure you check the description box because everything will be down below. All the products that I mentioned, where you guys can get the Ana Luisa jewelry and have 10% off your entire order. The pieces are awesome. It's great for Christmas coming up. You can get a head start on that. But as always, I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you in the next video.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon